to read it through now with you so you can work on your pronunciation. If you want to, you can repeat after me. Ready? A needle, a needle. An injection, an injection. A blood test, a blood test. A shot, a shot. A vaccination, a vaccination. Protect, protect. Disease, disease. Symptom, symptom. These include things like coughing, sneezing, wheezing, runny nose, stuffy nose, or stuffed up nose, or congestion, dizzy, infection, and other symptoms. Mucus, mucus. A wound, wound. Bandage, bandage. Sometimes we call these the same name as the company that makes them. Band-Aid, a Band-Aid. And heal, heal. We also had some interesting questions, so let's go through these one at a time. What kind of sports do you like? What kind of food do you like? What kind of coffee do you like? Whoops. What kind of movies do you like? What kind of cars do you like? What kind of colors do you like? Or sometimes we would just say, what colors do you like? What kind of games do you like? And finally, what do you do for fun? I run for fun. I go to the movies for fun. I play soccer for fun. What is the meaning of EE? Okay, this is a good question. What is the meaning of something? Okay, what is the meaning of grammar? What is the meaning of vocabulary? What is the meaning of helicopter? Okay, this is a good question. We learned EE means herb. Okay, herb. We don't pronounce the H. Other herbs include mint, tarragon, rosemary, basil, thyme, chamomile. Okay, so if you have a symptom like a sore throat, maybe you take some herb tea to help your throat. More good questions. Where are you from? Where are you from? Remember, we do not say, do you from? We would say, are you from China? Because in this sentence, there's only a be verb. If we make a WH question, okay, with WH words like what, who, where, when, which, why, how, sometimes whom, okay? Remember, we replace the information we don't know with the WH word, okay? So a good question, where are you from? Where are you from? Remember, after the WH word, you must have a verb. And if you have a be verb, you can move it forward. Let's look at a sentence that doesn't have a be verb. Why did you choose this class? We cannot say, why are you choose this class? Why did you choose this class? Remember, if it's not a be verb, we cannot move the verb. Okay? Also, we do not use a be verb. We do not add a be verb. We add do or does or did. Okay? So, I chose this class because Chris is cool. This is a good answer. So, if you chose this class because Chris is cool, we can make the question, did you choose this class because Chris is cool? Yes, I did. Yes, I chose this class because Chris is cool. If we don't know this information, we replace it with the WH word, why. We move it to the front. Now remember, we must have a verb after the WH word. Can we move this verb? No, we cannot. Okay? So we need did, because this is the past tense. Why did you choose this class? Now, if we have a sentence like she is from China, but if we don't know who this person is, we could say who is from China. Now the WH word is already at the front. We didn't move it. It's the subject. Also, that means the verb is after the WH word. We don't need to move anything anywhere. So this question is finished. Who is from China? Also, if we have a sentence like Chris teaches the class, if we don't know this person, okay, we would use who. Who teaches the class? We already have a verb after the WH word, so we don't need to move this verb anywhere. We are finished. No does, no are, just who teaches the class. Now, if we have a sentence like this, Chris teaches the class, if we don't know this information, we can replace it with a WH word like what? Notice here we're replacing the subject, and we're finished very quickly. Here we're replacing the object, so we have a little more work. We move our WH word to the front, but do we have a verb after the WH word? No. Can we move this verb? No. We can move a be verb, but this is not a be verb. We can move is or are or were or was or am, but this is not a be verb, so we cannot move it. What teaches Chris? No, not possible. Okay? In this case, we need do or does or did. And with third person singular, what it or he does. What does Chris teach? We do not put a be verb here. This is not possible. Okay? Or here, or here, or here. Okay? Chris. Now, if we have a different verb tense, Chris is teaching the class. What verb tense is that? Chris is teaching. Present continuous or present progressive. That's right. So here we do have a be verb and the ing. You must have both. So again, if we don't know the answer, we replace it with X, which becomes what. We move what to the front. What Chris is teaching. Are we finished? No, we need a verb here. Can we move a be verb? Yes, we can move the be verb. So this is our answer. What is Chris teaching? Okay? Rewind this video, listen a few times. Make sure you can make these questions properly. It's difficult, but it's very important. We also listened to some Forrest Gump and learned a little more vocabulary. Magic, magic, miracle, miracle, believe, believe. These are all fun, interesting, positive words. We also heard some negative words like stupid, stupid, dumb, dumb. Notice the B is silent. Dumb. Okay? This means not smart. A person who is stupid or dumb sometimes is called dummy. Dummy. Fool. Fool. Idiot. Idiot. These words are not very polite, but unfortunately, our friend Forrest did hear these names a few times. Some other things we heard. Deaf. This is a person who cannot hear. Blind. Cannot see. Mute. Cannot speak. Disabled. Cannot walk or cannot do something else. So these are all words you would use. These are not polite. These ones are okay. These are medical conditions. Finally, we heard, I could run like the wind blows, a metaphor. Okay, the wind blows very fast. Forrest can run very fast. Other metaphors that compare two things, Chris is a lion. So this means Chris is the same as a lion. Just like I could run the same way the wind blows, right? It's not really true, but this is a way to explain by comparing two things. So, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to do your homework, and I'll see you in class soon. Thanks!